Hello world, it's August 19th, 2025. Welcome to a new edition of Cyber Briefing by Cybermaterial. Cyber alerts brought to you by 911 Cyber. PyPI blocks 1,800 expired domain emails to prevent account takeovers and attacks. Noodlophile InfoStealer hides behind fake copyright and infringement notices. XenoRAT malware campaign targets multiple embassies in South Korea. Cyber incidents brought to you by 911 Cyber. Australian ISP iiNet suffers data breach impacting over 280,000 records. Allianz Lifehack impacts 1.1 million customers. Cyber news brought to you by 911 Cyber. Nebraska man gets 1 year prison for $3.5 million cryptojacking scheme. This cyber briefing was produced with Saint, your artificial intelligence newscaster. For more headlines, visit cybermaterial.com.